𝐂𝐞𝐐Ehman, founder and executive director of ARMI BioFabUSA, continues the revitalization of the Manchester Mill Yard and is now expanding our commercial manufacturing capabilities and expertise.
The more we looked at all the needs of our nearly 200 members of ARMI, is almost all of them have a very different goal, but they all have the same problems. Develop a process, develop the documentation, develop something that the Food and Drug Administration would be comfortable with, develop standards. Why should they all spend their time and money developing them separately? Let's develop them once, let's develop them right, let's make it world-class, and let's share it.
BioFabUSA's mission is to support advanced biomanufacturing technology. But of course, it's about more than just the technology. It requires a complete ecosystem. And we're trying each and every day to build that ecosystem.
In our clean rooms and across our manufacturing spaces, our scientific and technical teams collaborate with members to translate benchtop processes that were once artisanal and manual to scalable, modular, automated and closed processes that will ultimately enable clinical manufacturing at scale and get these therapies to those who need them.
What ARMI is doing here is really going to change the face of healthcare. The ability to transplant tissues and organs at scale has never been done before, and that's going to radically improve healthcare for the entire nation. But to do that, we need a workforce. This is an industry that doesn't quite yet exist, so we need to train our future scientists and engineers and manufacturing technicians to be able to get this job done.
Cells and tissues are really complicated, and trying to manufacture them at scale is a huge challenge. A lot of that challenge boils down to good measurement. So we developed the Deep Tissue Characterization Center to help manufacturers address those measurement challenges.
BioFab Consulting is primarily a member benefit to our members to provide individualized consulting on many of the factors in commercialization, taking an idea from an idea to a commercial product. Many of the therapeutic product manufacturers, for instance, are very small firms, and they can't afford to have the range of expertise that we have. I have almost 20 years experience at the FDA in the office that regulates cell tissues and organs. We have other consultants who have extensive experience in industry. We put that together to give people a consolidated, comprehensive consultation that would be hard to meet anywhere else.
ARMI launched the BioFab Startup Lab from a grant through the U.S. Economic Development Administration. So what we're doing is we're providing all support that they need, all back office support, regulatory, access to the technical and scientific expertise of ARMI, BioFab, and our members. The Startup Lab is another tool to help fuel the biofabrication industry. As BioFabUSA is building an entirely new industry for biofabrication, what we do is at the heart of that, taking innovative technologies and making sure that they reach the people who need them.
ARMI's diverse array of members means that there's a depth and breadth of expertise brought to this ecosystem that is necessary to advance this burgeoning industry.
We approached ARMI and became part of the BioFabUSA consortium really to take advantage of all that activity that's going on there, really leveraging our platform to enable the automated manufacturing of tissues and tissue models. From a company perspective, we are bringing forward enabling technologies and solutions for building tissues and manufacturing tissues to scale. And it's been invaluable for us to be really embedded in the community of tissue manufacturers. We think it's a perfect fit, and it really has broadened the utility of our technology and has expanded what our company can do, and we've benefited greatly from it.
My goal is to get hearts to patients. BioFabUSA and the ecosystem here in Manchester provides that opportunity.
In the future, BioFab Foundries will be able to offer a comprehensive program of product development for cell, tissue, and organ manufacturers, not only on the manufacturing side, but tying in quality systems, regulatory support, and commercial support, all the way from preclinical to commercial manufacturing. ARMI BioFab is at the forefront of innovation, and not only pushing the boundaries of what's possible, but redefining what's possible.